YouTube, what's up? It's Eli, and you know, today I'm coming to you guys with another banger. Today I'm gonna be getting a haircut. I'm actually outside my barber's house right now, so I'm gonna go inside and get a haircut. Hey YouTube, so when you come home from getting a fresh cut, what you want to do is get your little moisturizer or butter, whatever you have. You want to put that in and get a nice session. Today for you guys, I was going to use Poppy Blast's new moisturizer, but it's delayed. It was supposed to come yesterday in the mail because of Black Friday, COVID, and everything. It got delayed. So for today, guys, I'm still gonna be using goat butter. But first, let me show you guys how I'm looking. I got a 2 with the grain. I really wasn't gonna get a cut. I was just gonna get a little trim. But when I was sitting in the chair, he trimmed it down a little bit. I was like, you know what, just give me a 2 with the grain. Because, you know, I'm used to getting a 1.5, so I just wanted to get it a little bit thicker. But still, you know, have my hair thick where it's not too low. So, you know, I'm kind of could still, like, you know, in 2-3 weeks, I could still go back into a wolf session. Because I actually like wolfing my hair. I don't like it to be too short. On a fresh cut, especially if you got a 1.5 or 2, you want to get something light. Everything I use is light. Oil, butter, moisturizer, grease, pomade, everything I use light. You just want to get something light. Don't put too much because your hair is low. You don't got that much on your head. Just want to get something light and get a good brush session. After a fresh cut, you want to brush longer than you did when you was wolfing. Because some people think after a fresh cut, it's like, oh, you could chill now. Nah, that's when you need to get the most work in, especially on a fresh cut. So you just want to put whatever butter or moisturizer you guys have and get a good brush session, at least a half an hour to 45-minute brush session. Hey guys, and as far as what brush to use on a fresh cut, I recommend just to use a medium or medium soft. I always use this medium soft brush on a fresh cut. It's just the best brush to me. When you get a fresh cut, this is the perfect time to look at your hair, watch how it grows, and to see what you want to work on. So for example, this cut, I want to work more on my crown and my weak side, which will be my right side. I definitely want to work on my crown and my right side more than I normally do. So, you know, every haircut, you want to have a goal or something to achieve. So now, guys, I'm going to get a good brush session. Alright guys, and that is the end of the video. As always, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. And also, if you guys want to get these DURAGS or, you know, any other DURAGS that you see me use in a video, I'll leave the link in the description. You can use my coupon code which is Elite Elon for 10% off. And all right, guys, until next time.